hoping words would finally get spoken. I wore patience like a chain, carried faith like it would save me. But somewhere in that silence, it just slowly changed me. I was raised to hold the line, to believe in perfect time. Mama said just wait it out, but she never lived my doubt. Every promise I held tight faded in the dead of night. Every second I held on felt like dragging something on. You don't see it when it breaks, just a shift in what it takes. I stopped waiting for a change that never came. Stop believing in a voice that never said my name. I lit a fire, walked away from everything I couldn't say. Yeah, I finally broke the chains the night I stopped waiting. There was a road I never took, 'cause I stayed where I was hooked. Stayed too long in what I knew, even when it wasn't true. There was a love I held so tight till it turned into a fight. I kept begging it to stay while it slowly slipped away. You can hold on till it hurts, or let go and face the worst. I stopped waiting for a life that passed me by. Stop pretending that I didn't see the lies. I drew a line, I made a break from every promise I couldn't take. Yeah, I found myself again tonight. I stopped waiting. Maybe I was scared to move, maybe I was scared to lose everything I thought I knew, even if it wasn't true. But standing still will break you slow, more than any road you go. And I finally understood, leaving ain't always wrong. I stopped waiting. I stopped waiting. I stopped waiting, and the world kept spinning on. Stopped hoping for a place I don't belong. I found a strength I couldn't see, buried underneath me. Yeah, I finally felt alive. The night I stopped waiting. Now I don't look back no more. Don't stand still at closed doors. I don't chase what ain't for me. I just ride where I feel free. And if this truth I finally found, it's this road beneath me now. I didn't lose, I just became the man who stopped waiting.